bono mugabana bwe county ya Migori Moroke Ochiro yako bono gatebire nga linda Mwananchi msikuje Migori. Msikuje Migori tafadhali. Obatebire nga mtotage tikorole mtoiru ya kana Homa Bay. Asinge ncho linda Mwananchi mbabwate ngusana na ODM ya linda ground. Bono amaberera gwikachi gutira igentokera irere na ende maybe chibura kwanekirwa. But swali langu ni je,
oyo gukana ningo
omugabana bwe county ya Migori
ngurukia bwate jo gukana
Ochiro yako tena represent ya county county ya Migori. Lakini katiba ngiye
security structures inge chairperson ya security council ye county is the county commission.
That is it. And I think the county police commander gotoka ro.
Yes.
Bono nto think kuboli a constitution ya Kenya nkiye goteba
onde bwensi na bwato bosibole bogotara ndonsi konye birengereri bya yense mende yonsi
ogwasembo ngo bakoro.
Yes, freedom of assembly is there.
Picketing nero.
Yes,
ngobwerete ko provide security
abanyanyimbo
Homa Bay yanga ibachide ekero Kipchumba Murkomen no waziri w'ubule ndi mwima gotebanga Kenya tuko sawa nga inkero mwe gwete gundi simbarongi mware go chiero igo gundi sinanjere de kwa sambaro
igo bono gundi je baitane cy'abanyanyimbo
no gundi siritagani for the first point mbaro.
Yes,
wanjera nirevo Kipchumba Murkomen ngwete go deal na gundi
atara abanyanyimbo
ngodi na abanyanyimbo wizara gigo deal na abanyanyimbo ai Kenya
wizara yole ndibaime
omo inspector general police ningo
nako bolinga yale ga tukasinyuko manyesa aberede Douglas Kanja
ntobwate National Intelligence Service.
Yes.
In this country.
Yes, led by Nuruddin Haji.
Ntobwate
DCI,
Directorate of Criminal Investigation in this country.
Yes, yes.
Omugano ino sepechi ya kabe ya gazeti ya Taifa Leo.
And let me tell you, chi announcement une chinga moja abonda chiko na chibono chiko gera bono egente kibona ande bono getokote buya. I don't know who advises some politicians. You know, they are never do things. We are available to advise people. We are available here. Let me ask you.
Okay, when you go available to advise, ya soma wekan. Oyo advice naro.
Akiko woli ngi, akiko woli kama siasa sometimes statement jina baje bakwa na bakakubia. Bale kukira pi. Yeah?
Ndio.
Egente kegetangazo unless ibicha nere batatage tieroroka ne kurubigoli.
No,
ono aba tiotererie go saba bwatani balinda Mwananchi in Migori. Bono they are going to be agitated more. Baba aggressive bono mono. Wetani yale go kanyeka igense tegerere omonta akoro mokutano yagende sawo chikochi.
Don't you
unless ababoli darwa tete kwa voi.
Don't you think umugabana wewe county ya Migori Ochiro yako ekera gotebanga linda Mwananchi mbawe sekogenda Migori kegera gotebanga hatutaki viongozi walinda Mwananchi Migori wasema Ochiro yako ekera gotebanga don't you think ekegera maete na benga kuna ubabe wa kisiasa kuna kwate balinda Mwananchi mogotokani ntocha Migori na nento bwate freedom yoko bandensi in this country.
Okay, Ochiro yako hiyo nsemo giale linda Mwananchi uzalinda ground
definitely gako balinda ground.
Okay, nera arakani urende ngata tachaseke talinga boro taraika taraka otaraika ngakiara akani kwa.
The reverse is true.
Bono, is that democracy?
Ikatenere yibono na kyo the former president Uhuru Kenyatta akwane the statement ye monga ki mmobo se kuya ni ense ya Kenya seki asama tukaetire
murayo yale kwa mwate benga ki asenge njo tutaiti bintu na bibi akoroka no mabe na aburi y'abanyanyimba abaraye abuko bagocha batingiyo bulendi mapema na kugather intelligence mapema so that into basa gutora magana guns na bintu binde byose
wativo Ochiro yako yoyo ari gutene na ari Mabe headquarters yalia abeke press conference yate bena ki abantu bose bo DM linda ground mo baisa korana kana litukelia.
Yes, yes.
Achana na wao wafanye mkutano wao waende ingia kama
ebi janere bodera so I think that is moire kato kama sisia ebi janere razo to kuruo ugure bababo iye jogoro atubajare ego jogoro abuna bege mukino ra maji buna ya andre korone kane tokere kana ro kare ko babe yo si ko eres kira kuri chinguru asegete but he is an embarrassment one kiagera. He is one of the abantu bale on record, my friend, ba the student leaders University of Nairobi ba kora ason oyo jilo ayako Sorry, non wakili.
No, and equally he understands.
Oh, I understand.
No, he understands what Babu Wuro used to do in Nairobi. He got up. You see.